Today, our topic of discussion is mucormycosis or black fungus. So, those who don't know me, I am a final year medical student at Medical College Kolkata, Mui Kajra. So, let's start. The black fungus, that is mucormycosis. Actually, its name is not the black fungus. This is referred to as by the media person for easy understanding. Actually, it's a misnomer. Means the fungus is not black, but when it infects, it causes necrosis of tissue that leads to black discoloration of the tissue, and so the name has come black fungus. Now, what is this mucormycosis all about? What is this? Why it has created such a hush up in this present era in India, in this present situation? So mucormycosis is a fungal infection, an opportunistic fungal infection. Opportunistic means that when your immunity goes down, then only it infects. Means it is circulating throughout the environment, but it would not infect a healthy person like me and you. अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक का तो मतलब ही है जैसे कि एनिमी अपॉर्चुनिटी में आके तुमको ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करता है, तो ऐसे ही म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस भी एक वो एनिमी की तरह ही है जो अपॉर्चुनिटी लेता है जब तुम्हारा इम्यून सिस्टम पूरा डाउन हो. तो व्हाट आर द मतलब ये पोस्ट कोविड केसेस के लिए क्यों होता है? मतलब आफ्टर गेटिंग कोविड, दोज हु हैव रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम कोविड, व्हाई दे आर गेटिंग इट सो मच? This is because, as you know, that in COVID treatment we use steroids, that is glucocorticoids, that suppresses the immune system very much, and moreover, many person, about 10 to 15% have diabetes mellitus. So it also down regulates phagocytotic activity of the leukocytes. So this leads to an immunosuppressed state or any kind of immunosuppressed state. Like after transplant, giving immunosuppression therapy, and moreover, one popular drug that is given in COVID, that is tolicizumab, it also suppresses immune system. So this is a probable cause that why post-COVID patients are only getting infected by mucormycosis. Another reason could be probably there is some association that COVID reduces the immune system drastically, because as per as my knowledge, only post-COVID in patients are only getting this infection, not general patient, those who are on immunosuppressants. So evidence had been there to prove this. It would come, I think, after a few months it would come. So what are the clinical features? Means first of all, those who getting infection first will have a severe facial pain that is not reducing near the malar prominences specifically. Then there will be facial swelling, diminution of vision, and the most common varieties that I am talking about is rhinocerebral mucormycosis. There are 6 varieties. Rhinocerebral mucormycosis is the most common and the most deadliest. That is infecting the people of India, and that is causing death. So rhinocerebral mucormycosis, as the name suggests, rhino means nose and cerebral means the cerebral hemisphere. So it starts from the nose and the paranasal sinuses, then it can extend up to the orbit, perforating the medial orbital wall. So it can cause proptosis, symptoms like proptosis, chemosis, and it can also go up to the cerebrum because by perforating the cibriform plate that is situated at the below the anterior cranial fossa. So it can cause a very deadly situation. If it spreads to the brain, then it's very much fatal. So the investigations first, that you have to confirm it microbiologically. I am not discussing about that. And the second as a clinical investigation is MRI to assess the extent of the disease. Now coming to treatment. Now as it is a fungal infection, fungal infections are very much difficult to treat. So the treatment must be very, very aggressive. So before, if a patient comes with the symptoms of facial pain, then only you have to start the treatment, that is the drug of choice, liposomal amputation B, and it can treat the patient. But if he presents with delayed onset or patient presents late, then we can go for surgical debridement along with the drug of choice liposomal amputation B. to save the patient, because debridement can save the patient and remove the disease per se. Now coming to the last part, এটা বাংলায় বলছি বিকজ এটা মানে সাধারণ মানুষের কাছে একটা বার্তা, মানে যাদের কোভিড হয়েছে বা কোভিড থেকে সেরে উঠেছে তাদের জন্য, যে মানে যাদের এখন কোভিড হয়েছে বা কোভিড থেকে সেরে উঠেছেন তাদের কয়েকটা জিনিস মাথায় রাখতে হবে যাতে এই ব্ল্যাক ফাঙ্গাস আপনাদেরকে ইনফেক্ট না করে, অর্থাৎ মিউকরমাইকোসিস। তো আপনাদের যাদের ডায়াবেটিস আছে তাদের সুগার লেভেলটা প্রপার মনিটর করতে হবে, যদি বেশি হয়ে যায় তো তাহলে ডাক্তার দেখান, নয়তো এটা কিন্তু একটা রিস্ক ফ্যাক্টরের মধ্যে পড়ে, আপনার হওয়ার চান্স আছে মিউকরমাইকোসিস। তারপর হচ্ছে যে স্টেরয়েড থেরাপি যদি দেওয়া হয় তো সেটা ডাক্তারের প্রেসক্রিপশনই নেবেন, নিজেরা নেবেন না, যাতে প্রপারলি রেগুলেটেড স্টেরয়েড থেরাপি দেওয়া হয়। আর তার সাথে যদি আপনার এমনি মুখের মধ্যে এইখানেতে যদি খুব যন্ত্রণা, অতীব যন্ত্রণা হয়, যেটা এমনিতে রিলিভ না হয়, তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই একজন ডাক্তারের কাছে গিয়ে কনসাল্ট করুন, তাড়াতাড়ি কোনো হসপিটালে যান।